Hi! Jing, jing, jing. Hello, hello! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Magandang araw, magandang araw. It's Friday night and I hope you're having a good day. Hi, Angel! Ay na! Kamusta? Oh my God, na-miss ko na. Punta na tayo dyan ulit. Gawa tayo ng event. Shoutout EJ, hi! Diba may time tayo, Mikey? Kamusta yung show ninyo? Hello, Lloydie. Hey, hello. Telly, hello, hello. Your girl, Shin. Belated congratulations. Pwede ba yung belated congratulations? What's a belated congratulations? I think congratulations should be timeless. Diba? Hi, Doc Sander. Thank you. Wala tayong filter. No, ano po yan. Smile and ano lang, happiness in life. Ay na, message mo ko please on Instagram or ano, Messenger. Hi, Gali. Happy Friday, everyone. Hi, Kai. Hello, hello. Kamusta ang inyong mga Friday night? Thank God it's Friday. Oh my gosh, I have to tell you something. The word of the day is adversity. Just this morning, pagkagising ko, ginigising ako ni Kevin. Sabi niya, oh my God, I'm sorry, I have to wake you up. Kasi, etong place na lilipatan namin, naghakot na kami ng gamit kahapon, and then, today. So, kahapon may mga gamit na kami doon, kwento agad, no? Very, ma-share. Very open. Nag-report sa amin yung admin ng building na may tumatagas sa tubig galing sa pinto namin, dun sa corridor. And the water level is like parang lulubog yung buong daliri mo sa paa. So pinipilit nilang buksan, ba't hindi nila mabuksan? Buti nagising kami. Pinadala namin yung susi sa kanila. Tapos pagbukas nila, sabi nila, before pa nila mabuksan, para daw silang may naririnig na waterfalls sa loob ng unit. Tapos, pag-send sa amin ng, buksan na nila gamit yung susi. Pagbukas na nila, para daw eksena sa movie. Like may umuulan sa loob ng unit. Like there's like shower everywhere. So parang naloka kami kasi, what happened? Ganyan. So apparently, ayun, meron palang tumatagas or parang faulty tubo sa second floor na shower. So yung mga sapatos, yung mga boxes ng mga books, medyo nabasa. But like, the point of the story is, syempre na-stress si Kevin, and I was like telling him, relax ka lang, okay, it's okay na maloka ka, it's okay na ma-stress ka, pero don't let it stay too long kasi it's something that we don't have control. Diba? Hindi natin gusto yung nangyari. Tapos, parang nagalit pa siya sa ano na hindi mo kinahayaan mo feelings ko, hindi ka pinipigilan maparamdaman yung nararamdaman mo, but how you act with your feelings. So, yun, yung adversity na yun, sabi ko, diba, wala namang nangyari masama, wala namang mabuti na lang at na-experience natin siya ngayon pa lang, first day, hindi pa tayo nakakalipat. Diba? So parang yung point nun is, let go of the things that we cannot control. Let's just accept them for how it happened and what we can learn from it and enjoy it, diba? Wala na eh, mulan na eh. Ano gagawin natin? Sabi niya, sayang naman yung mga libro natin nabasa. Okay lang yan, bibili tayo ng bagong libro. Mga libro pa yun ni Sasha Villar, okay lang yan, nabasa ko na yun. So yung mga ganong parts lang na how you handle adversity. That's the word of the day. Tapos, yeah, basta yun. Anyway, yes, naayos naman. Ang bait ng mga guards at saka ng mga maintenance. They were all happy when they got here. They were all smiling. Parang everything is well taken care of. Huwag kami mag-alala. Parang yung sinabi din ng admin na parang, sir, sorry po, ganito po yung nangyari. Okay lang yan. So, yeah. Hi, Xavier. I have to, sining nasa likod mo ma? Alam mo na kung tao sa likod. Team Balatsuela, hello siya. Isang hi Kea. Hi Kea! With the K. Hello, hello, hello. Hindi ako nang iinggit. Ba't naman ako mag-iinggit at anong ipang iinggit ko? Thank you. As I was saying, how's your Fridays going. Sa akin yun. So, today, naglipat kami ng 2 more trucks of stuff from our old place to this place. So, medyo buhat-buhat kami, lipat-lipat ng gamit, usog-usog ng ganito, ganyan. So, soon, I will have a tour dito sa bahay namin. Kasi, so yeah, very exciting. Parang, new place, new experience, new blessings. Hi, Tolentino Nino. Mommy, happy birthday. Hi, Jen. How are you? Jen, see you on my birthday show. Good luck, Kate. Good luck, good luck. Good luck sa may mga campaign, sa may mga assignment, sa mga exam, or mga projects, presentations. Good luck sa inyo. Kaya niyo yan. Brightest nga siya, blooming. Oh, thank you. Guys, wala pa ako sa tulog. Medyo may airbag ako today kasi nga konti ang tulog dahil ang dami. Outfit check daw. Outfit check. Dumi. Yay! Guys, please, I have a birthday show, birthday concert on February 28, 2026. It's a Saturday. Oh my gosh, 28 days na lang. Today ba is 28? No, 30. So, 28 minus 2. 26 days na lang! Oh my God, it's my birthday! 26 days. Hindi pala. Birthday ko is February 26. Pero yung birthday show ko is on February 28. That's the last day of February. I heard that it's a lucky day. I believe that it's gonna be a beautiful day. It's a lucky day. It's a special day for everyone. So, I hope you guys can get your tickets dahil I will be performing with my best friends in the industry. It's gonna be a constellation of stars, like from Precious Paula Nicole to, of course, my good sister Venus Deluxe from Slajan Royale. Eva La Queen will be there, and our UK versus the World representative, Minty Fresh. And, of course, Arizona Brandy is there. Hannah Beshi. Oh my gosh, di alam kung anong gagawin ng dalawa. And also, House of Ding, yes. Siyempre, kailangan may House of Ding. That's Zimbading and Bombading. Oo nga, no, what if mag-perform si Bombading ng may hawak na gloves? Or nagsasayo siya ng may gloves? Ay, may dumbbell. Napanood ko yung bagong TikTok niya. My gosh, sabi. No? Mag-perform si Bombading ng may dumbbell na hawak. Work. And also, Drag Dance Supreme, Naiya and Shawarma is there. And that's it. I think that's it. Wala akong nakalimutan. Yeah. Precious Paula Nicole, Venus Deluxe, Arizona Brandy, Eva La Queen, Minty Fresh, Hannah Beshi, Zimbading, Bombading, Naiya and Shawarma. Oops! And Taylor, sheesh, Macoronel will be there. So, guys, please, get your tickets. Sa mga hindi pa nakakuha ng tickets, hindi ko pa masyadong pinapost, pero medyo konti na lang yung tickets. Or, should I say, medyo nagkakaubusan na. So, wag na kayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Wag na kayong magsayang ng oras. Get your tickets there because it's gonna be an amazing show. And it's a birthday show, so it's a celebration. It's all fun. It's all love and sisterhood and friendship, di ba? Ganun naman usually kapag nag-birthday tayo. Well, nagre-request si Eva La Queen ng Shanghai, so might as well magpapa-Shanghai tayo. Sa backstage. Yeah. Wala ka yung mga cocktail table, pagdating mo merong Shanghai, merong platito ng Shanghai. Interesting. Let's see. Hi, Indigo! Hello, I miss you, darling. Naglilipat kami ngayon. Are you free? Actually, we need help. Kanina nag-post ako sa GC ko, sa Team Brigading Darlings, at saka sa aking channel. Sabi ko, sinong macho dyan? Pwedeng mag-request ng performance. Sige, Mikey, sabihin mo lang. Pwedeng mag-request. But that doesn't mean that yung ni-request mo ay magagawa. Saan ka right now, man? Nandito po ako sa aking new place. Naglilipat kami, kaya medyo dito muna tayo sa clean corner, or the cleanest corner in the house. This is my bedroom. Anong ganap mo na, ma? May pupuntahan akong birthday. But, buti na lang yung birthday is on the same building. Yung birthday party is on the same building. Nalilipatan ko ngayon. Dito na ako nakatira sa Pasig. I'm no longer a San Juan girl. So, yung mga pinagtirahan ko in the last 4 years. Kasi I started living alone noong 2020, pandemic, sa Mandaluyong. And then from Mandaluyong, nag-Poblacion Makati ako. And then after Poblacion Makati is San Juan. So ngayon, I am in Pasig City. And I'm so excited to explore the city. Ang ganda ng location ko. Craving for Ain't No Mountain High Enough. That's a good song. Sabrina Ding, oh my gosh. Oh, I leave quite an impression. 5 feet to be exact. 5 feet lang pala si Sabrina. Avril Ding. Very trailblazing. Hi, Babshi. How are you, darling? Sinong kasama ko sa house right now? I have few friends here. Kevin is here. Felicia is here. Johnny is here. Mawala si Inay Marina. Wala po ang ating sister Marina, but I would love to have her here. But I think at the time hindi lang nag-matching schedule namin. But I love to have. Nung nakaraan nakita kami sa show, she's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng aura. Ivy Ding. Sino si Ivy Ding? Sino si Ivy? Oopsie, of course may mga surprise guest queens tayo. So abangan niyo yan. Sa mga nagtatanong ko sino pang gusto kong isama sa aking birthday show. Basta, syempre nireserve natin yung iba na hindi na muna natin i-announce for surprises. So guys, please. Oh my God, may nagre-request na. Sino to? So pa. Prin, mom. Hello. Ano pa mga request ninyo? Sabrina talaga, no? Ang dami nagre-request ng Sabrina. Brixie. When ka mag-Davao ulit? Oh my gosh, I think we're working on something for Davao. So, abangan niyo yan. Andito po ako sa aking new place. Sa Pasig City. Hi, Jin. Hello. Lexi, how are you? Ariana Grande. Oo nga, no? Nandito lang ako. If you know, you know. Ding, ding, ding. Isang hi Laris lang po. Hi Laris. Hello. Hi Jin. Oo naman, gamitin mo lang ng gamitin yung mga gusto mong gamitin. Hi Johnny. Ang ganda ka. Thank you. Sige. Saan ang show, Baby Cakes? Wala po tayong show today. We are fixing the house that I'm moving into. Parang carry mo yung Die on This Hill. Pero paandar. Ooh. What if ituloy na ang Inigo Pascual? Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang. Dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban. Dahil sa'yo ang pagmamahal na nan. Hi twin, hello. Moises, I miss you. Nag-move na naman ako ng new place. Sayang, hindi ka nakadaan doon. Ay, nakapunta ka pala sa old place. Oh my gosh. I have a new place. Very happy and very excited to show you guys. Kailan may post yung Brightest Day? Yung Brightest Star po will be released sometime soon. But dapat abangan yan. I-announce ko yan soon kung kailan at saan ko siya i-release. Basta, please, sana abangan ninyo. Bumili kayo sa mga tickets sa mga shows na nandun ako dahil bigla ko nalang ilalapag yan. I love you, Moy. I miss you so much, my dear friend. May chance bang pumunta ka ng Antique? Oo naman. Oo naman. There's always a chance for everything. Diba? Kanina lang sinasabi ko sa mga nakshi ko. It's in the will. Sabi niya, sabi ko, buhatin nga na itong salamin. Ito kay, hindi ko kaya yan kasi mabigat yan. Napakabigat yan, tsaka baka mabasag kasi mabigat. Sabi ko, hindi na mabigat. Kaya mo yan. Ako nga kaya ko yan eh. Diba? Mabigat man siya o hindi. Basta meron kang will na kakayanin mo, kaya mo siya. Diba? Pinakita ko sa kanya, kaya ko. Di niya kaya. Pero, dahil sinabi niya kaya niya, gagawin niya ng paraan, humanap siya ng kasama na tutulong sa kanya magbuhat, nabuhat niya. Diba? Wow, naka-perfect ka ng exam, Christine with a K. Hello, hi, mabuhay. May siya sa pumunta kang Antique. Yes, meron. Na-miss ko yung mga taga-Kabanatuan. Parang 2 years ako nag-perform dyan. Oh my God. I think. Oh yeah, nakita ko yan somewhere. It's Kiana and Angel Galang this time. But I hope makabalik ulit ako sa inyo as your newly crowned Legion Royale Superstar. Ihahataw natin. Balik ulit sa Bacolod, Yes, Mascara Festival. When ang show sa May Kawayan, Bulacan? I'm not yet sure, but let's see. Diba? Youngsters, pag ito pinansin ako, itutuloy ko candidates ko for SSLG. Girl, do it. There's no other time but now. Do it. Huwag kang mag-doubt. Whatever happened, manalo ka or matalo ka will be an experience. And live that experience. Kesa naman, okay, di ka sumali, di mo inalaw yung experience na mangyari sa'yo and to learn from there. Hi, Piling Rabbit. Hi, Alfonso. Hello, hello, darling. Sa mga nag-birthday po ngayon, happy birthday. Guys, also, gusto ko kayong invite sa mga susunod pa na show. Aside from my birthday show, there's Rampa Obawe, there's Shady Brunch, what else? Ang dami pang shows na I think yung iba parang sold out na. But guys, supportahan pa rin ninyo lahat ng shows dahil this is the season na walang ongoing drag race franchise from the Philippines. But that doesn't mean that we stop supporting the queens. Diba? Dapat hindi natatapos sa drag race yung pagsuporta natin sa mga local queens natin or sa mga favorite nating drag queens. Kasi there's a lot more going on outside drag race, and that's the better things na dapat ninyong suportahan, dapat ninyong ma-witness. Iba ang espiritu when you're actually right in front of your favorite queens. So I hope you guys still, continue to show up. Diba? Mag-CDO ka na please. Oh my gosh, nakapag-CDO. Hindi pa ako nakapag-CDO. But yes, I will do it. I will get there. And yes, guys, birthday show ni Zimba, February 14. Oh, no, February 13. February 13 sa Rampa. So, please, I think, ayan talagang literal na few seats na lang, few tickets na lang ang natitira. So, bilhin nyo na yan. Nakita ko yung lineup ni Zimba and I was like, work. My gosh, as in. Ayoko mag-spoil pero may gagawin siya na parang, kahit ako, hindi ko pa nasubukan gawin, pero kaya ko. Kaya ko yun. Pero hindi ko pa nasubukan. Pero kaya ko yun. Why don't we go somewhere for your birthday? What's your suggestion? If you guys will go out of the country for your birthday, where will you go? I want to see your recommendations and dream places to go to or to visit. Ako, I wanna go to, alam mo Moy, pagkatapos ko mag-Bangkok earlier this, or last week, parang sabi ko, parang kailangan kong ikutin yung Asia. Kasi I've only been to Vietnam, to Thailand, to Taiwan, and Japan. But I've never been to Cambodia. I've never been to Laos, Nepal, about going to China, but let's see, maybe we don't know when, we don't know how, but yeah, as your Slasian queen, I should be, representing, I should be traveling Asia, diba? Ayan, ang mga sagot. Japan, Tacloban, international ang pinag-usapan natin, Asian countries. But yeah, Tacloban, yes, of course. Aside from Asian cities or countries, I have to go around the Philippines more. So, abangan nyo yan kasi that will be soonest for sure. Ma, when ang drag scene sa Quezon Province, I heard that there is one venue there that hosts a drag show. Pero parang medyo nagkakaproblema sila kasi mahina daw yung support system. My God, good golly, Miss Molly. You should be out there. Mga CDO na tayis, tara nali ka na. Wait lang kayo, okay. Alaska, Bali, I've been to Indonesia as well. Yeah. Darling's field trip sa Taiwan. Oh my gosh, I love it. The Brightest Star Tour. Ay, ganda na title, The Brightest Star Tour. Oh, that's so cute. Brightest Star Tour. I love that. Wait ka lang. Release ko lang yung song ha. Tapusin ko lang yung birthday show ko. Okay. Lexia Ding. Lexia Ding. Isang I love you mo lang talaga, darling. I'll pursue joining Quiz Bees. I love you. Ma'am, tatanda na lang yata ako hindi kita nakikita. Ano ba? Huwag mo isipin hindi mo ako makikita. Believe. Mother Wen, ang The Brand Season 3. The Brand Season 3, abangan mo niya. Oh my gosh. Abangan niyo lang po. Abang-abangers lang tayo. I mean, mahina ang kalaban. I know, hindi mahina ang kalaban. Malakas ang kalaban. But we have to do it in a timely manner. Oo, mag-file ka na ng candidacy. Ano ba? Ano pang inihintay mo? The moment na dumating sa'yo yung opportunity that people sees that in you, that you have it or that you can do it, if they think that you got it, do it. Do it. I love you guys. Guys, again, okay, the tickets are now on sale sa brigading.helixpay.ph. Diyan yung makikita yung tickets sa aking upcoming The Brightest Brigading Birthday Show. Sa February 28 sa Rampa, Quezon City. It's gonna be a beautiful and amazing and bright show featuring my best sisters from the whole drag industry. Divine Divas and Sido. Yes, guys, alam niyo nakakaloka dito. Yung mga pinili kong kasama dito sa show is really the closest of the closest to me. So, Divine Divas, House of Ding, Minty Fresh, Evil Queen, Hanabeshi, and Arizona Brandy. Oh my gosh, guys, have you seen my B is for Bonding episode with Arizona and Hanabeshi on YouTube? Please, guys, nakakatawa kahit ako. I felt so proud na nakasama ko sila sa episode na yun because, my God, ibang level yung utak ng dalawa, ibang level yung wit, yung timing nila, and the camaraderie. Yung connection nila, di ba? Parang ang bilis ng saluhan, ang bilis ng sagutan, and that's not something na madaling mahanap or madaling makuha sa isang tao. So, Hanabeshi and Arizona Brandy, superstars talaga. My gosh, ako. Hi, Babaza. As in, nilaro nila ako doon. Guys, yung mga nag-iisip dyan or nagdadalawang isip, I think this is the best time to get your tickets to my birthday show. That's brigading.helixpay.ph. Okay? Tapos kanina nagkakabisado lang ako ng lyrics dito habang nagliligpit ako ng cabinet. Sabi ko, oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited kung dati, di ba, kinakabahan tayo lagi sa mga gagawin natin. Pero this time, everything that I'm doing, I label my feelings or whatever I am feeling as excitement. Kasi, di ba, parang, it's so nice to look forward to something na mag-enjoy ka, mapapasaya mo ibang tao. So I'm so excited. It's gonna be a fun show lang, but also heartfelt, but also excellent, but also fun, but also hataw. Oh my gosh, hataw. Hahataw tayo. And it's gonna be a party. It's gonna be like a concert na magsising along tayo. Moni, hello! Oh my God! How are you, sis? Kaloka, ngayon lang tayo nakapag-usap. Parang naalala mo nung nakaraan, no? Chika-chika lang tayo for season 3. Or after my season. Make me proud, youngsters. Exciting! Exciting, di ba, Miss Vanna Vega? Napakinggan mo na yung isang edit ng music. Nakakaloka, kilabot, levels. So, sinabi ko, ah! Hi! Hello. Hi, Ivan. Ingat, babe. Taylor Shish. Mac, ingat. I love you. I miss you. Puntahan mo ako dito sa bahay. Dito tayo mag-bonding. Oh my God. Excited na ako mag-host ulit. Oh my God. Naalala niyo, guys. Hi, Vodka. Hello, hello, darling. Hindi ko alam kung kailan, ate, if you can help me get back there. My gosh. Iyo na ako. Hi. Lishai, hello. First day of work on Monday, ma. First time ko lang sa Manila. Isang good luck from me, pampawala ng kaba. Oh my God, darling. Dion, good luck. Galingan mo, itodo mo, okay? My gosh, I'm sure everyone that you'll meet here in Manila will be excited to see you or meet you. Ay, naguhugas ka ng pinggan ngayon. I love that. Oh my gosh, dapat sumasayo ka. Dapat may energy ka. Hindi pwedeng walang energy habang naguhugas. Dapat habang naguhugas ka, medyo twerk ka pa. Di ba? I-enjoy mo yung paghugas niya. Ang sarap-sarap kaya ng tubig, ang lamig sa kamay, di ba? Hayla.eam. Hayla May. Alea May. Good luck sa midterms. Guys, sa mga nag-aaral, sa mga magtatrabaho, sa mga may presentation, or may mga pinaghahandaan, mga pinag-iisipan, this is your sign. Okay? Everything will be worth it. Everything will be happy. Will be good. So just do it. Oo nga pala, no? Mikey, nanood ba kayo ng Kebe? Ng show ngayon? I think may show ngayon di ba? Hello, mother. Andito pala si Mama Sel. Rina, I miss you. Punta na tayong China. Tawag dito. Hi, Ashley. Hello. Interstellar. Yeah, kamusta? Guys, are you guys watching Interstellar in Music Museum? We have the amazing Aquaria and the gorgeous and beautiful Laganja Esranja. Thank you, Mama Sel. Sobrang proud ako kay... Nako, Mama Sel. Sobrang happy ko po talaga. As in, sobrang bait! My God! I mean, sobrang laki ng pagbabago. Mabait at nakakamiss siya. Kamusta na mga mama? Andito po ako sa aking new place in Pasig. Naglilipat po kami, so medyo magulo pa yung mga gamit namin lahat. We're still adjusting. Kaya makikita niyo sa mga story ko, di ba, parang puro kalat pa or inaayos pa yung bahay. So, magkakaroon kayo ng house tour soon. At ang ganda nung naisip naming house tour. As in. Nako. Anyway, anyhow. That's a good chat. That's a good time with you guys. Please, please, please get again your tickets on my birthday show this coming February 28 sa Rampa. It's called The Brightest Brigading Birthday Show. February 28, 7 p.m. at Rampa. Tickets are still available. Guys, nagkakaubusan ng po ng tickets. So, wag na kayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Bilhin nyo na yung mga tickets na yan kasi in 1 year, ilang beses ka ba nag-celebrate ng birthday? Isa lang. And that's one birthday na mag-celebrate ako after 2 years nang hindi ako nag-celebrate. So, ngayon, I really want to celebrate because sabi ko nga, this 2026 is the year to celebrate life, celebrate friendship, celebrate winning. Oh my God, guys, I just won. And, dapat ipagpasalamat na nabuhay ako ng ganito katagal. So, yeah, I'm excited to see you guys. May meet and greet tickets. Meron pang, basta, I think, all the tickets are posted here sa brigading.helixpay.ph. Sobrang bilis lang mag-check out. Kung ako sa inyo, bilan nyo na yung mga friends ninyo kahit hindi pa sila umuoo, kahit hindi pa sila nakakausap. Ipangregalo nyo na yan this Valentine's Day. Girl, single tayo, manood lang tayo ng birthday show ni Brigading. Oh, etong regalo ko sa'yo. Something like that. Diba? Kasi kayo, exciting. Thank you. Oh my gosh. 30 na ngayon. Sunday pa pala yung one. Malapit na birthday ko. Oh my God. I'm a little older. Nag-help po si Shay. Alam nyo guys, hindi nag-help si Shay. Well, hindi pa natuloy kasi syempre busy si Shay. But, for sure, pag dumating si Shay dito at saka si Kiana sa bahay, magla-live kami. Well, baka sana maalala ko. Paalala nyo sa amin, please! Congrats everyone. Thank you everyone for joining me dito sa chat na to. I have to go. Pupunta lang ako sa birthday party sa taas and then bababa na ako kasi kailangan ko pa ituloy paglilikpit ko at paglilinis dahil February magsa-start na ako ng rehearsals and everything that's everything na gagawin ko for this whole month and the upcoming ganaps in life. So, guys, enjoy your night. Huwag kayong mag-doom scroll dyan. Lumabas kayo ng bahay. Talk to your friends. Or kung ayaw nyong lumabas, tawagan ninyo yung mga friends ninyo. Diba? Mag-group call kayo or mag-telebabad kayo. Enjoy each other's company. Or lumabas kayo, manood kayo ng drag show. Diba? Anyway, Rampa is open tonight until Sunday. That's open every Wednesday to Sunday. So, I hope you guys visit Rampa when you can. Visit ako sa FEU, may drag battle sa Foundation Week. Kausap ko na po sila. Hi, Chi. Hello. Okay, bye guys. I love you all. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.